Hey, what's up guys? Alex here. I want to help you set up and build your on-demand seminar. I've never done anything like this. We've set up programs where you can watch us, and we've done coaching. We're combining it together with a pre-built engine that is ready for you. We just need you to put your voice on all of the different pieces that we've created. Check this out. We have the software, Agent CRM. I have personally written a PowerPoint slide for you, the entire presentation. You just got to fill in the blanks. We've got the emails written by my copywriters, automation set up by Ryan and his team, add images and text for you to follow and model. We've got video scripts, how-to videos. We've got it all. Live coaching calls to help you build the on-demand seminar. And if you're going, Alex, this sounds great, but I'm not really a web developer. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to become an expert. I'm asking you to follow our simple how-to videos and tweak what we have already built. Ryan and his team have set up ads and created landing pages and offers for hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you. You get to piggyback on all of their success. You get a shortcut to a successful marketing campaign based on the model that they have already created. You're just tweaking it for you. There is a 100% money back guarantee. And for those of you that finish the on-demand seminar, which will be everybody, I'm going to personally fund your advertising campaign. I'm going to send you $250 for you to use in your advertising campaign promoting your new on-demand seminar. That deal is only for September, so you have to join the on-demand seminar program in September for that to apply. I am so excited. I believe that the on-demand seminar program, all the stuff we've created, the coaching calls and everything else, I think this is going to change the game for everyone who takes part in this, because it's not just about launching a marketing campaign. The on-demand seminar program is about creating assets. You're getting a webinar that you'll be able to use. You'll have ads generating leads for you while you sleep, while you're at dinner. The ads are working to generate people. And we've got this automation engine that is set up. We have put so much time and effort into this. You get to shortcut right through it, follow our videos, work alongside the team so we can launch these. My goal is to see 100 entrepreneurs walk through this program with us and report back their success stories. It is my personal goal. It is my mission that you join our program and see overwhelming success with this. Click on the link below to find out more about the program, on-demand seminars, see everything we've got included, read success stories from the people that have already done this and hired us to build it. If you have any questions, reach out to us. I'm so stoked. Go to the offer on the link below. I'm excited to see you in the program.